Microbial communities. Microbial life is often examined by the ecosystems they inhabit. Like all life in nature, examining only one piece of the puzzle rather than how it fits into its surrounding environment will severely limit our understanding of the functions and significance microbes have on our environment and our health. Microbial communities are called microbiomes. Micro, of course, refers to microorganisms. But what is a biome? Biomes. As we discover the world of microorganisms and microbiomes, we must first look at biomes. Biomes are classified as communities characterized by the dominant vegetation and organisms that inhabit it. Biomes will also vary across climates and whether they are on land or underwater. There are 6 major types of biomes. Those are freshwater, marine, desert, forest, grassland, and tundra. Few biomes across the globe have been spared from human influence. Humans have vastly impacted our natural landscape through agriculture by depleting resources and the natural biodiversity and have increased carbon emissions. Nurturing and supporting natural and diverse ecosystems, both large and small, is essential to sustaining life on this planet. Microbiomes. Microbiomes often refer to the worlds unseen by the naked eye. In a jar of sauerkraut, in the soil under our feet, and even within our gut, microorganisms inhabit these areas in diverse and expansive microscopic ecosystems. As people are becoming increasingly aware of the roles microbes play in our environment and our bodies, further research and initiatives are being conducted to explore their full potential. One such example is the Earth Microbiome Project, a collaborative initiative to collect and study data on microbes and their functions in different ecosystems. The Human Microbiome Project, likewise, is a collaborative initiative aimed at studying human microbiota and its impact and role in the human health and disease. Biofilms. Most microbial life resides in biofilms. That is, microbes, like bacteria, will often clump together and even cooperate as if they were a multicellular organism rather than a collection of many single-celled organisms. Microbes and biofilms adhere to a surface. Biofilms exist within humans as well, such as within our mouths and our digestive tract. Biofilms have the potential to be both beneficial and harmful for the environment or our health. Dental plaque is an example of a biofilm that forms on the surface of teeth. Tooth decay and gum disease are a result of bacteria's metabolism within the plaque biofilm. Within our digestive tract, biofilms help protect us from pathogenic invaders. Likewise, in our environment, biofilms have the potential to help or harm. Plants and microorganisms. As I stated in Chapter 1, microbes can be found inhabiting even the most uninhabitable regions of our Earth. One location that microbes inhabit holds particular significance to agriculture, crop production, and the nutrient value of the plants that we consume. Microbes live within the soil and in, on, and around plants. The relationship between plants and microorganisms is intricate, codependent, and essential to all plant life. There are a few terms used to describe this relationship. Holobiont is a term which refers to the host and its endocellular or internal microbiome and extracellular or external microbiome. Another term is plant microbiome. Microbiome, as we know, is used to describe the community of microorganisms living in a defined habitat. Lastly is a phytobiome, which consists of the plant or phyto and its biome, which consists of the environment and all organisms living in, on, or around it. The plant's microbiome may consist of several types of microbes, including bacteria, archaea, fungi, viruses, and protozoa. Microbes perform important functions for plants' health and growth. Such functions include protection against harmful pathogens, nutrient acquisition, regulation of the immune system, and stress tolerance. Plants may experience stress from both biotic and abiotic sources. Biotic stresses are those caused by living organisms. This can include other microorganisms such as bacteria, yeasts, viruses, or fungi, insects, parasitic nematodes, invasive plants, or weeds. Abiotic stresses are caused by non-living entities such as essential nutrient deficiencies, exposure to toxic substances, or environmental stresses such as extreme weather conditions. In agriculture, these stresses can drastically harm a crop or even cause crop failure. A plant's ecosystem. There are different microbiomes surrounding a plant. There is the rhizosphere, which includes the soil around the roots of a plant. This is one of the most complex ecosystems on Earth. The phyllosphere is a region above ground and on and around the stems and leaves of the plant. Certain fungi, called mycorrhizal fungi, share a symbiotic relationship with plant roots known as a mycorrhiza. This relationship is also mutualistic as it benefits both the host and fungi. Fungi feed off the glucose produced by the plant through photosynthesis, and the fungi improve the plant's access to mineral, nutrient, and water absorption by increasing the surface area of the plant's root system. The endosphere is within the plant tissue itself. These three microbiomes, similar to the microbial ecosystems that thrive in humans, are associated with the health of the host organism itself. Essential roles of microbes in these ecosystems include protecting the host against pathogens and increasing nutrient uptake in the host. This relationship is a symbiotic mutualistic one. For example, roots extract compounds into the soil that microbes may utilize. In turn, microbes in the rhizosphere may help make nutrients such as phosphorus and nitrogen accessible to the plant. While certain microbes, including various species of bacteria, may form harmonious and mutualistic relationships with their plant hosts, there are many that may cause harm. There are parasitic bacteria, also known as pathogens, that may feed off the host or in other ways damage or kill the host in the process.